All right, here we are at the Saddlebrook Apartments in Des Moines for their budget numbers. So same as all the other Westwood properties, include a full restripe on this, and then I'll look at everything else. Which brings us to C1. It's a 22 by 12 attached to a little 1 by 2. So what's this? These two panels directly in front of us, right by the leasing office, and then right at the catch basin there's a little 1 by 2. And note that all concrete will bid at 6 inches. That section was right down the center drive lane too, so we are going to have to shut down the access to shut down that entrance right there and block the whole thing off. C2 is a 12 by 12 attached to a 5 by 6, so yoink. Take that out, so kind of 1.5 panels. We'll just go off the existing seams where you can see it's coming apart, and then we have a crack and a broken corner on this section, and this is right by the big intersection, if you will, where we seem to do work every year. C3 is a 30 by 12, so it's this panel and this panel where it's eroding, and then it's actually just eroding in corners and it's got some damage. And we do have one water valve in this location that we'll have to finish around. C4 is a 12 by 5 attached to a 2 by 3, and that's average 12 by 5. It's this little triangle looking strip, and then this little kick out too. So it won't look pretty at the end, but it'll look better. So that is C4. And then here's the other entrance exit to give you perspective on where we're at. C5 is a 24 by 16 attached to a 12 by 17. Remove and reinstall these 3 speed bumps, and then there will be curb on that too. I'll measure the curb up, but it's going to be this panel, and that panel, so 3 of them. In perspective, C4 is right behind us, so they're only about 15 feet apart. So I will measure the curb on both sides for you that come out and get replaced. So that's 51 feet on the inside, and then 17 feet on the outside, just closest joints on either side of the repair. All the curbs yellow, and then you can see there's an 18-inch NPFL right there too. If we don't end up restriping the entire property, we'll need to know what to put back. And we're over here at phase 2 now. There's actually nothing to do over here at all except for the striping. But I did notice on the way out, driving out of phase 1, there's a wheel stop, extruded wheel stop that's broken. So I'll put a pinpoint on a map, but remove 10 feet of extruded curb and add 1 precast wheel stop. And that is add 2 precast wheel stops. And that is going to be it.